Imagery is any description that appeals to our five senses. Some people make the mistake of thinking imagery only appeals to one sense, what we can see. But why stop there? Imagery appeals to what we can see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Yep, all five senses. Now, the way you use imagery can influence how other people feel about your subject. Maybe you had a bad experience at a restaurant, and so you might describe it with imagery. It smelled like old socks.
Gross.
The food was tasteless.
Yuck.
And the loud clanging in the kitchen gave me a headache. Chances are the friend listening to your description would have a negative attitude toward the restaurant, too. Authors also use imagery to make you feel a certain way toward a character, event, or place. Maybe a character wears all white and she has a voice that sounds like music. Those are good things, right? So the author probably wants you to feel good about this character based on the images associated with her. So, to recap, imagery is any description that appeals to our five senses, and it influences how people feel about a subject.